Let us have a quick look on FreeRTOS, why we use it, and what are its advantages. It is a free and open source software that can be used commercially. This software is mainly suited for creating real-time embedded systems. This software is a real-time kernel, or you can say it's a scheduler. A scheduler is a software which regulates or which handles which tasks are to be run first according to their priority, or it just manages tasks, multiple tasks. Tasks can be like taking inputs from keypad and checking ADC regularly, checking sensors regularly, just like that. Applications are separated into independent threads or tasks, which makes it easy to develop embedded software. This software is professionally developed and it has a high quality of code. Let's see why should we use real-time kernel. We need not to care about timing information, as this kernel or software or FreeRTOS is handling timing information for us, meaning which tasks are to be run first according to their priority. So, as we don't have to write code regarding timing information and handling execution times, so there will be a less code, which will result in fewer and less interdependencies between threads or tasks or modules, which will allow us to develop more easily tasks like taking input from keyboard. So these tasks are independent from each other. Maybe there are few dependencies between them, but it's less. So which makes it modular. As there are different independent tasks different from each other, we can test each module or task independently from each other, which makes testing easier. As there are lesser interdependencies between modules, code can be reused. So this thing real-time kernel or this real-time software, it uses something called as event driven, which means it executes a piece of code when an event arrives. Just like if you press a button, it will execute at that time. Take an example, if you have to glow a light by pressing a button, it will not constantly call for button to be pressed. Means it will use interrupt. When there is an interrupt, it will run that code or that piece of code that will turn on the light. So as no time wasted in calling, there will be idle time, meaning processor have nothing to do. In that case, FreeRTOS can put CPU to power saving mode. So that is the basic introduction of real-time OS and FreeRTOS.